Hello, this is Catherine McGee, and I'm the director of the Nevada Historical Society, and we'd welcome you to come and enjoy our new exhibit, Nevada Families in Focus.
Nevada Families in Focus tells the story of two pioneering Nevada families, the Currys of Carson City and the Mayers of Elko County. The exhibit follows the two families around the mid-19th century and uses their photographs and artifacts to show who they were, how they came to Nevada, and what they did once they arrived. Photographs are a key component of the exhibit, allowing us to see not only the growth of the two families, but also the growth of early photographic processes, from daguerreotypes to paper-based prints. The Nevada Historical Society, Nevada's oldest cultural institution, is open Tuesdays through Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Admission is $5 for adults and free for children 17 and younger.